Easy English Practice.
Hello everyone. Today we will learn some simple sentences about daily life routine. This collection helps you practice vocabulary for daily activities. So let's get started. I wake up early. I wake up early. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I take a shower. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. I drink coffee. I drink coffee. I check my phone. I check my phone. I go to work. I go to work. I take the bus. I take the bus. I drive to the office. I drive to the office. I greet my colleagues. I greet my colleagues. I start my work. I start my work. I attend meetings. I attend meetings. I reply to emails. I reply to emails. I take a lunch break. I take a lunch break. I eat a sandwich. I eat a sandwich. I drink water. I drink water. I work on a project. I work on a project. I call a client. I call a client. I finish my task. I finish my task. I leave the office. I leave the office. I hope you find this video helpful. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for more.